Welcome to Programming Corner. Today I am discussing Flutter, a framework for developing apps. Let us start with its installation. First of all, download Flutter, and I am using Windows, so I am taking Windows installer. First of all, create a folder like this. Actually, I am already installed Flutter, so I am already created that folders. So source Flutter, and this is the git command. Copy that command. Take control panel and first of all change your directory to source and Flutter. I think all of you know the command for changing the directories, that is cd slash and then cd space give that folders. Then copy that command, but I already installed, so that this command, if you are not installed, it will install. Then take Flutter and check it. This is all installed here. Then take Flutter console bat and write Flutter command. That is cd Flutter doctor minus v. Sorry, Flutter doctor minus v. Then click enter. So this key space in doctor minus v. I already told I installed Flutter, so these commands will come, Flutter version and everything. And next it is checking its Android is installed or not. So please ensure before installing Flutter, you should install latest Android Studio. Then installation is over. Next I am going to add this Flutter plugin to our Android Studio. So take settings and plugins, then resource repositories, and give search Flutter. Scheme I already installed, so no install symbol is here. If you are going to install, it will appear. Then click that install and it will download. Close it. Okay. After adding the plugin, you should restart your Android Studio. Then I'm going to start a new Flutter project. Give next and give a app. Almost everyone first create Hello World program, so I'm giving Hello World. And next we should give the Flutter SDK path. That is we installed in C source Flutter. That path should specify here. Yes. And company domain. Your company domain name should give here. And I'm using some Kotlin code, so I'm ticking this. So That's all. Finish. I already opened one Android window, so it's asking this opened in this window. So I'm clicking it. Now opening the Flutter project. It will take little bit time. It's finished and open. This is the Flutter project. Next I'm going to run it. I already opened a virtual device. If you want to create a new one, just click tools and take Android and Android device manager. That is this. I already created this pixel one. If you are new, create new virtual device, click it. Then going to run it. This is the Flutter demo homepage. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.